Yeah.
I don't need a lot of presents to make my Christmas bright. I just need my baby's arms around me tight. Oh, Santa, hear my plea. Santa, bring my baby back to me. Christmas tree is ready, candles all aglow. With my baby far away, where we couldn't mistletoe. Oh, Santa, hear my plea. Santa, bring my baby back to me. Please make those reindeer hurry. Time is drawing near. Sure won't see my Christmas without my baby here. No, 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 don't feel my socks with candy. No bright and shiny toy.